In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account to receive international payments in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started on this easy process. First, you'll want to pull up your web browser and head over to paypal.com. PayPal is one of the most popular and trusted platforms for online transactions, providing a secure and convenient way to manage your payments. Once you're on the home page, you're going to notice a sign up button. Go ahead and click on that to start creating your new account. PayPal offers different account types, but for personal use, choose the personal account option to enjoy a tailored experience for receiving payments and purchasing online. With your account type selected, click on Get Started. At this point, you'll need to fill in some personal details, enter your name, email address, and a password that you'll use to access your PayPal account. It's a good idea to choose a strong password to ensure your account's security. After you've filled in the necessary information, PayPal will prompt you to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for an email from PayPal and click on the link provided to verify and activate your account. This step is crucial for allowing you to receive payments without any hiccups. Once your account is up and running, you're all set to begin receiving payments. However, to make the most of your PayPal account, take a few moments to link a bank account or add a payment method. This will make it easy not only to pay, but also to transfer funds received to your bank account seamlessly. Now, getting to the crux of international transactions, if you're expecting to deal with international clients, you'll need to ensure your account is set up to receive these payments. PayPal facilitates this seamlessly by allowing you to accept foreign currencies. However, it's often a good idea to set up your payment preferences to automatically convert foreign currencies into your local currency, making the entire process smoother. To do this, navigate to your account settings, locate your payment preferences, and set them to automatically handle currency conversions. This will ensure that any international transactions you receive are conveniently converted to your local currency, saving you the hassle of manual exchanges and potential fees. Finally, for ongoing ease of transactions, you might consider keeping these settings handy. As markets and payment processes evolve, it's wise to occasionally check for any new features that PayPal introduces to manage international payments more effectively. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you are one click away from starting to receive international payments through PayPal with confidence, security, and ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.